Hey guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, in my other video, I did describe how important it is to maintain your good credit history in Canada and how your oldest credit cards help you build your credit future. Okay, because your credit history is an important factor in maintaining your credit score. So the question comes, if you want to close your credit card, maybe it could be the oldest credit card, how to do it safely without damaging score. So that's what I'm going to discuss. So basically how to close your credit card here in Canada or anywhere without damaging score. Okay. Now the very first thing you should do is to finalize a checklist or a set of actions so that you can minimize the impact. So before you close checklist, when you do, so make sure you pay it to zero balance. First of all, you cannot close a card with a pending balance because the provider will not let it, right? Second is redeem your rewards. If you have reward points or anything, just use them because maybe your organization may not honor them after you close the card. If you have set up any auto pay, many people do so that they don't forget at least minimum payment. Make sure like that you stop. Okay. And if you have set up auto payment based on the credit card, like for your membership like Netflix, gym, YouTube Premium, whatever, make sure you move it to different uh, card so that there is no miss. Okay, now this is what the checklist you follow. What about steps to protect your score? Now your score is definitely impacted by the history. Okay, so transfer your credit. The biggest hit to credit comes from losing that credit card's limit, which makes your overall utilization. Okay. So what you can do is, sorry, I just missed few lines over there. So what you can do that instead of closing, you can opt for a product change. For example, uh, if you're closing your oldest credit card, probably it charges you too much in fee. So maybe or like a renewal fee or whatever, maybe you can go to a different product from the same provider that is a free credit card, like no yearly no annual fee. Okay, that you can do. So if you do that, that is considered a product change, not a new product. So that means your credit account remains open and there is no penalty or no hit. Okay. Now, when you do this, few things you should be very careful that again, like speak speak to the customer care or whoever is the service provider that you want a change, not new product. Okay, it should not be added in addition to what you already have. Okay, because you don't want that. Instead, you want them to like change and close your existing credit card so that you are ended up with only one. Okay. Now sometimes may give you sometimes they may try to give you some offers including waive the fee off, but it's up to you how you want to take it if you can really hold. And when it comes to factor like make sure like you pay off your credit debt all the time, because if you keep on delaying it, it's gonna impact your score. This is what I want to discuss in this video, guys. Let me know what you feel about it. So basically the safest in all this in summary, safest way I would say is to change the product if that's the reason you want to close. And if you still have to close, like let's say you have two or three credit cards and you just want to take one off, so compare. Like maybe you have a good travel card from a company that you want to maintain, but that was obtained recently, but you had a free card that was obtained 10 years ago. So I'll go to the company of 10 years old credit card and I would ask them if they have something similar. And then if I have to close, I'll close the newest one after paying off the balance so that I don't lose anything. So if you maintain this strategy, it's gonna help you. Let me know what you feel about it. Thanks for watching this and please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.